This project allows you to build any app without writing a single line of code. You can not only publish them on all kind of platforms, you can also sell them for the project token, which you can later redeem for USDT. I'm talking about the Alchemist AI. This project is already above $150 million market cap, and this data might have actually increased by the time you will be watching this video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you why this project is a total gem. So no much talk, let's dive in. First, we need to visit the Alchemist AI website, which I'll be dropping the link to that in this video. The website has one of the most simple and user-friendly interfaces. So it's not one of those complex projects, but you can actually build complex apps with it. The thing with the Alchemist AI is that you can build almost anything you can think of with it. So the limit is just your imagination. So to start creating, just click on this laboratory icon. You put in your prompts right here. So for me, I'm going to write, build me a star themed to-do list. You could be more detailed about what you want in this prompt, depending on the complexity of what you want to build. So once you are ready to start creating, just click on the forge icon, and Alchemist AI, within a split of a second, put the app for you. So it's just like something converting just your ordinary text to actual thing that you can actually use. So my to-do list app has been created, and I could actually tap on it just like a normal app on my Windows. Of course, you can see it right here. I might need to make some changes very soon because I would like this to be here on it. So let's see if I can actually add in some prompts, so some to-do list. So let's say buy the Alchemist AI token tomorrow. Once I'm done, I just click on add. Of course, you can see that it has been added, and I could actually remove this depending on if I'm done with a particular list. So I could add more, maybe sell soul this evening, add. And if I don't want this anymore, I could just click on delete. Now I think I don't like the way this is under it, so I would like it to just be on this side. So I will click on this open chat, right? So click on the comma icon, so you could actually dialogue with this AI here. It's like a normal conversation where you tell it, look, I want you to change this in this, I want you to change the color in this, I want you to align this here. So it looks as if you are dialoguing with an actual, person, which is a superhuman, because you could actually create almost anything you can think of here. So I would want to type, make sure the add task button is on the same line as the text field. So let's see what that looks like. We have it right here, very simple. You can see whatever I type here, whatever changes I put in here, I see it happening here real life, right? So this is really, really cool. I could decide to add my stuffs again, add this, write whatever I want to write, add it, and keep adding. And once I don't want anyone, I can just delete it. So you can keep making changes and making changes. Maybe I would like this to look like the background of this site. Maybe let's see if we can actually do that. Make sure the theme and color resembles that of these websites. This is really cool. So I have it right here. So the theme is looking almost like the website theme already, and still yet I could add my stuffs. But one thing that I noticed again is that I don't see the date that this was added, so I would like to make that change here. So let's tell it, make sure for each task
the date it was added should be indicated. Alright, so let's try it out if this is working already. So I add it, and this is really crazy. When I say Alchemist AI can create anything you can imagine, this is what I mean here, right? So you can build tools, you can build games, you can build almost anything you can think of. And like I said, the only thing here is just your imagination. Think it and build it on Alchemist AI. Once you are done and you are satisfied with your project and you would want other people to actually interact and use your creations, you can actually come to where you can actually list them here. So click on this list icon, and you could, put in the name of your project, maybe Starship Task or Starship Star Themed to-do lists. And of course, you can actually describe it here, maybe, and you can list this for an amount, right? So you can list this for the Alchemist token, right? So, but I could actually make this free for anybody to use, or I can list it for 13 Alchemist token, and anyone that wants to use my app will have to, pay me these amounts. So this is really cool, and I really love the UI of this website. It makes it very simple and unique. Pretty cool user experience so far. Once you are done, you can actually add here to list your creation on the marketplace. So quickly, let's take a look at the marketplace and see other people's creations too. Click on the marketplace and you will start to see other people's creation and what they built so far. So this person has already built a live chat pro VA. So let's see what this looks like. It looks like a live chat, so where people can actually chat real life. This person created Wizard Academy. Welcome to Wizard Academy. Here your journey to no code mastery begins. Progress through. Okay, this looks like a kind of a tutorial, right? So if you want to maybe learn about Alchemist AI better, also you can actually download this and start to use it and see other features that you never knew about Alchemist AI also. So these are the lessons, these are challenges that you could do. And I would really recommend that you try this particular creation out. So let's still go back to the marketplace and see other apps too that have been created by other creators. So this is a crypto dashboard, and this is also a game. This is really crazy that you could actually build a game. Do you know how much time this could actually take you if you really want to code this yourself? We have Alchemist AI here to make everything very easy for us. So we have several games here that have been created by many people. Let's try this game out and see. Okay, I need to buy this for 5 Alchemist token. Let's see if we have other games too. Let's try this one out. I pray I know how to play this. Start game. I have no idea on how to play this. You can try this out yourself if you know how to play it. Now back to the marketplace, let's see other apps too. So of course, users are already jumping in on this platform and creating apps and already making money, of course. And the thing is that once you put it out here, even though you didn't place a price on it, people can actually tip you here, right? So I can actually tip this person some Alchemist token if I want. Honestly, Alchemist AI is quite a very unique tool, right? So far I've really had a very nice user experience using this particular software. So it's really cool, and it made everything so easy. I can't imagine me just building these stuffs with just typing some stuff and just getting a result immediately. This is something I could spend hours trying to build, right? Even days trying to build. But with Alchemist AI, you could build them in the matter of seconds and minutes. So make sure to try it out. The link will be under this video, and I will see you on the next one.